multidimensional, and now we have to solve the last question on a DP. Okay, so the last question is edit distance. So here is given a two strings, word 1 and word 2. You have to return the minimum number of operation to convert the word 1 to the word 2. Okay, so you have to return the minimum number of operations such that you convert the word 1 to a word 2, minimum number of operation. Okay, either you can insert, either you can delete, or either you can replace the character. So these are three things that you can do, the three operation that you can do on a word. Okay, so here is given a word 1 horse and word 2 is Ross. Okay, so you have to convert word 1 to a word 2. So how can you do this? Either for horse you can replace H with R. So when you replace the H with R, so the first operation is replacing, so first, and then you just remove the R. Okay, and then you remove this, uh, then you remove this R, and then S. Okay, so you just have to take three operations to convert them into a word 2. So let's take an example. Here is given a horse, H O R S E, horse, N R O S. Okay, to convert, if you want to convert the horse into Ross, then first you have to convert H into R, R O R S S E. Okay, so you have to convert them. So the first operation is 1. So in step 1, you have convert them, and then you just have to remove this R, remove. So the second operation is remove, and after this you have to also remove E. So this is the third operation. Okay, so after this removing, replacing and changing, you just have to return the integer that how many operations required to convert the word 1 to a word 2. So the three operations required to convert them, so you have to return the 3. Okay, in the same way, for this intention and execution, you will take 5 operation to make intention to an execution. Okay, so let's proceed further. First you have to take int m equals to word 1 dot length, and then int n equals to word 2 dot length, and then you have to create a vector of int dp m plus 1 comma vector int n plus 1. Okay, and then you have to take for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to m, and then plus I. You have to do dp of I comma 0 is equals to I, and then for int j equals to 1 comma j less than equals to 1 comma j comma plus j, then you just have to do dp of 0 comma dp of j is equals to j. Okay, and then again you have to create for int I equals to 1, and then I less than equals to m, then I plus I, and then for int j equals to 1 comma j less than equals to n comma plus j, if word 1 of I minus 1 is equals to word 2 of j minus 1, then you have to do dp of I comma j is equals to dp of I minus 1 comma j minus 1. Okay, else you have to do dp of I comma j is equals to minimum of dp of I minus 1 comma j minus 1 comma dp of I minus 1 comma j, then dp of I comma j minus 1 plus 1. Then you just have to, after this for loop, you just have to return the dp of m comma n. So let's run this code. Now this code works fine. Let's submit this. Now this has been accepted.